it's Mark with Care for Health, and today I just wanted to bring you a little video talking about symptoms, why it's important to listen to them, and why you shouldn't try and mute them with medication if possible. Now, we see all kinds of people in the practice on a regular basis, and typically they've had pain for a long time. And what's happened is they've gone through these cycles where they get the pain, they take medication, the pain goes away, they feel great for a while, pain comes back, they take more medication, pain goes away, they think they're fine, pain comes back again, and so on and so forth. And eventually they get to a point where they don't want to take medication anymore, or they just can't deal with it and want to break that cycle. They want to feel out of pain, feel better. So they come and see us. But it's really important to listen to those symptoms, to listen to that pain, because it's a bit like listening to a fire alarm. That pain is there for a reason. It's to let you know that something is wrong, or that something is going on that shouldn't be. And a bit like a fire alarm, if you put that fire alarm on mute, or you take the batteries out of it, what you're doing is you're essentially not listening to the most important thing, which is that there's something telling you that there is a problem. And so by turning it onto mute, although you can't hear it anymore, although it's not as prevalent and it's maybe not causing you as much pain, actually the problem still hasn't gone, and it's only a matter of time until that problem then catches up with you again. And when it does, often, because you've been through that cycle where you've been taking the pain medication and you can't feel the symptoms anymore, you might even be doing a little bit more damage to yourself, because, like I say, that pain is there for a reason. It's to stop you from doing things that cause a problem. So actually you can be doing a little bit more damage. So instead of muting the fire alarm or medicating to take away the pain, actually what we should try and do is focus on what's causing it all in the first place and putting the fire out. And so one of the best ways to do that is to come in, get your spine checked, make sure your spine is working as efficiently as it should do, to get adjusted if necessary, because these things will then actually start to address the cause of the problem, like I say, put the fire out. And in addressing the cause of the problem, you're then not going to have the knock-on effect, which is the symptom. So, naturally, if you don't have the symptom, you don't need to medicate either. So by getting adjusted, it means you're not having to medicate, you're not having to put these kind of drugs into your system, but then you're able to go back to doing everything you wanted to do in the first place. You can go back to gardening or playing sport or normal kind of walking, daily living tasks without discomfort. So it's a really good way of just staying on top of everything, making sure you're not having to take medication unnecessarily and getting you back to feeling great. So if you're in that cycle, or if you think you know somebody who is, then pass on our details, get them to like the video, get them to watch the video, send it on to them, and maybe we can get them checked and make sure they're functioning at their best, or you're functioning at your best. Telephone number is 01483 425544, or like I say, like our video, follow us on Facebook, and we'll see you again soon. Cheers!